Sarpana and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you some simple and easy ways in which you can take your own photos on your mobile phone. So to take photos on your mobile phone, there are two options, either using the selfie camera or the back camera.
To take photos on the selfie camera, go to the camera settings and turn on the show palm option. This option allows you to take a selfie just by showing your palm and also gives you enough time to pose.
This is how I take pictures if I am using the selfie camera. And to use the back camera, I set the timer and then I move back and forth in order to click the pictures. You can set the timing to 2 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I usually prefer taking it to 5 seconds if the shot is simple and 10 seconds if the shot is a bit complicated and will require me to prepare myself before taking the shot. So the first picture is the one in front of a mirror. I got this idea from the image they take at the weddings. When the bride is getting ready, the photographer takes the photo. So I just thought of taking this picture while I got ready for this video. Before you start taking the picture, make sure you wipe the mirror clean. There shouldn't be any speck of dust.
First set the timer to 5 or 10 seconds as per your comfort and then focus on the mirror. And then press the button and position yourself in front of the mirror, and after the click, check your photo. If you don't like the alignment of the picture, then you can adjust the tripod and phone and try again.
For this picture, I have thought of taking it as me applying lipstick. You can use it as you're applying your mascara or any makeup, or if you also want, you can take this picture while wearing your jewelry or braiding your hair, or you can take up any different kind of idea. In this similar manner, I have also taken a mirror selfie with the help of a DSLR. You can take this with the help of your phone. And in this picture, the mirror doesn't have any design, so it is an added benefit as it's more clear to see. The next image is the top view image. It's the same image which I have seen at the beginning of my videos. So to take a top view image is very easy. All you need to do is
mount your phone on a tripod and bend it as much as possible. You can place the tripod on your bed or on the floor, then set up the theme that you want. My theme represents a bookworm, so I set up some books. Then I adjusted the length of tripod to get its maximum height. Then position yourself and take the picture.
So for the top view, you can also take this picture sideways or at different angles. So to get this, all you need to do is tilt your phone and the tripod at different angles and then try around until you get a picture which you will like.
If you don't have a tripod, then still you can take this top view photos. I'll show you how.
So here you can see I have put the carpet under the table. I'll switch on the front camera, and if your phone has this option of wide angle lens, then use that because it will give you a much higher perspective. Here you can see the difference. This is the normal front camera, whereas this is the wide angle lens. So I'll keep it in wide angle lens and then I'll put it face down, and then I'll keep a fully filled water bottle on top of it. The reason to keep this bottle is it will balance this phone so that it doesn't fall off. So you can bring it as much as possible towards the end, and then you can just lie down over here on this carpet and you can take your pictures. So the next picture is that of a silhouette type. So in this image, the background will be brighter than the person.
First, switch off the light so that the only source of light is through the window. Make sure to take this picture during broad daylight. And then you can just stand in front of the curtains or act like opening the curtains, or just stand while holding a cup of coffee or tea, or just randomly holding a glass.
and you can include plants and flowers in your pictures. So you can take the image by setting the leaves such that they cover partially of your lens, and then you stand behind the plant and take the picture so that the lens is half covered by the leaves or a little bit covered by the leaves. So for this next image, all I did was just sit down on the floor and arrange the plants and pots around in such a way that it looks good and posed around as if I am in a movie. And lastly, everyone has this corner or this place in their home which has a plain background, and there is no better place to take pictures than that of in front of a plain background. I usually prefer taking pictures in front of a plain background because I love taking black and white photos, and when the background is plain, it is very easier to convert your image into a black and white image. So that's what I choose. It has unlimited possibilities. There are many ways in which you can take pictures and you can pose around. You can use props like flowers or any fruits or vegetables, or you can just use your hands to pose in different ways. And that is it for today, guys. I hope this video helps you to take your own pictures, and if you try any of the ideas from this video, then do share it with me on my Instagram. The links are in the description below, and also do comment on your favorite idea or the favorite image of this video. And if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe by clicking my face ID right here, and also make sure to click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. And you can watch my previous video over here, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourselves. Bye.